First, we replace the green quick lock of the flat LED screen with our black quick lock. Use a cross screwdriver to loosen the screw, replace the green quick lock, and replace it with a black quick lock. It should be noted that the groove needs to face the direction of the screw to lock the quick lock. Then replace the other one in the same way. Then we adjust the curved lock to the 15 scale and fix it. We then pull the flat LED screen over and dock it, and finally lock it successfully. When we want to adjust the angle, we can loosen the curved lock, the lock can be active, and we can adjust the parameters of the arc.